Hello friends, welcome to Pathshala. In today's session, we will discuss the excretion process in unicellular as well as in multicellular animals. So, in unicellular animal, in case of unicellular, like in the amoeba, unicellular animal, like in the amoeba, or in the case of paramecium also, they lack definite because they have only a single cell, so they lack definite excretory system in their body structure. They diffuses the carbon dioxide, or the carbon dioxide produced in their body in the respiration process simply diffuses out from their plasma membrane. But in case of other waste materials, like the ammonia's or the nitrogenous waste material, mainly the ammonia, and some other waste materials and excess of water eliminated from their cell by a special formation that is known as contractile vacuole. So, in amoeba, uh, in paramecium also that happens. So, in amoeba, a special type of vacuole is created which contains the waste material in it, and the contractile vacuole gradually increasing in size. So the contractile vacuole is gradually increases its size by accumulation of the waste material, and this contractile vacuole, this is the contractile vacuole, and this contractile vacuole then moves towards the plasma membrane, and after some time it fuses. When it touches the plasma membrane, it actually bursts out, and the material inside it is eliminated outside from amoeba's body to outside. And after that, the contractile vacuole, when fully uh, attached with the plasma membrane, fully actually joins with the plasma membrane, and there is no contractile vacuole formation after that. No contractile vacuole formation is not the correct sentence actually. There is means the contractile vacuole throws the content outside and fuses with the plasma membrane, and next in case next the metabolites, or next when the metabolism process occurs next time, where the waste material that are created again stored in the contractile vacuole, and this process happens in a circular pathway. So there is the contractile vacuole that fuses with the plasma membrane, and by this process the amoeba and other unicellular organisms throw out the excretory products that are created in their body to the outside environment. Now let us discuss the excretion process in multicellular organism. So the hydra and some other cnidarians, or some sponges also, they lack the they lack actually definite kind of excretory system in their body. They always remain suspended in water, so their body cells directly throw the waste materials in the water via the diffusion system. So in case of multicellular animal, they have definite kind of, or definite excretory system in their body, definite excretory part or excretory system in their body. So let us discuss some excretory system or excretory organ in different animals. So the first animal is, or the first group is platyhelminthes. So the first group is platyhelminthes. This include the flatworms. So in flatworms or in platyhelminthes, their excretory system is named as the flame cell. It's a very special kind of cell which excrete the waste material that are created in the flatworm's body or platyhelminthes group of animals body from outside of the environment. Next group is the roundworms or the nematodes. In roundworms or nematodes or in roundworms, the excretory system or excretory organ is known as giant cells, or it is also known as renity. So the roundworms have renity or giant cells as their excretory organ. Now let us discuss the next group. The next group is the annelids. Annelids. Annelids like the earthworms or the leeches, like that. So the earthworms or the annelid group have a special kind of excretory system in their body. They actually excrete in two ways. One through their excretory organ that is known as nephridia, and they also excrete their waste material from their moist skin. So they excrete their products by the nephridia and through their moist skin also. Next group is the or the fourth group is the arthropods. Arthropods, where the insects and some other arthropods excrete their waste material through Malpighian tubule, means it is a tube-like structure, Malpighian tubule, and the some other arthropods like the spiders, etc., uh, excrete their products via the green glands. So there are two types of excretory organ. So first one is Malpighian tubule and second one is green glands. In some of the arthropods have Malpighian tubule as their excretory organ, and some of them have green glands as their excretory organ. Next group is the mollusks. Next invertebrate group. These are all the invertebrates. So next group is the mollusks. Mollusks have kidney as their excretory organ. These five are invertebrates, but the last group is the vertebrates. All the vertebrates have kidney as their excretory organ, including the human being. Means including us, we excrete our waste material from our body through our kidney. So these are, you can take a screenshot also. You can take the screenshot of this board. So platyhelminthes or flatworm have phlegm cell. Nematodes means roundworm, they have renity. Then the annelid or earthworm, nephridia and moist skin. Arthropods have Malpighian tubule and green glands as their excretory organ. Then mollusks and other all the vertebrate group have kidney as their excretory organ. So thank you so much for today's session. In next session we will discuss the detailed structure of kidney. Means we will discuss the excretion process in human beings. Thank you so much for today's session.